Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys have no idea. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I haven't uploaded a YouTube video like in a week or so. Sometimes it happens to me like that, but whenever it happens, there's always a reason why. And I'll tell you guys the reason after I'm done with this little review, because I don't want to like do this whole thing so long for you guys in the beginning. So I'll just get really into this right now. As you guys can tell in the title, I'm going to be talking about the new Haus Labs. These are their Eye-dentify gel pencil liners, and they sent over, I think it was like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 of these. I think they came out with 20 of these, so they sent me half of these. I'm going to be swatching these for you guys, and I'm going to be creating a look with it and just playing with these because these are just so beautiful. So I am so excited to be doing a video for you guys and just showing you guys all these Haus Labs liners. I have been getting comments on my YouTube and on my Instagram DM saying that they wanted me to show you guys these on YouTube, so that's what I'm going to do. So they sent it over with this little paper right here. It has all the names of the shades of the liners right here, and they obviously have 20 high pigment shades. These are already launched on August 4th on houselabs.com and amazon.com if you guys don't know. But look how pretty Lady Gaga looks. She just looks amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and just start and swatching these. I am so excited. Out of all of these, this one gets my attention the most. Obviously it's really bright blue, and the metallics just look really bomb when I saw them swatched. So we're gonna go ahead and start swatching them. This one, it is called wow, I cannot read. Statue Q. I don't know. I'm gonna write the names for you guys here, but it's like a little bronze brown color right there, and you guys can see that. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch this right over here. I have a mosquito bite, you guys. It is summer and it's just gonna happen. So it looks like this. It has a little bit of shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see that. It has a little bit, not too much. This next one, it is called Pride, and it's a purple, and I heard that it has a bit of pink reflexes here. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch this right over here. Sorry you guys, my swatches are not gonna be like the best, but I'm swatching them for you guys. Let me just show you guys that right over there. So this is like a pink reflex purple one, which is really cute. I still don't know what kind of look I'm gonna go for, but I'm trying to create something nice for you guys. This silver one's called Blade, and you guys, this one I just know it's gonna be good because look at that right there. Look how pigmented that is. That is a silver, not a white, but a silver, and that looks so nice. Dazzled, and it is a gold one. My nails, you guys, they're different sizes, don't mind them. And this one, I'm gonna swatch this one right next to that silver so you guys can see how metallic that looks right there. It looks amazing. This one, it is called Denim Rebel, and it is a metallic blue. I'm gonna swatch this one right next to the gold one. As you can see right there, it's like a really bright blue. It's super nice. Now this one, I just know for a fact, and I think I saw this online, that Lady Gaga used this eyeliner for her Rain On Me video. That white liner you saw, it was this. And just they didn't tell us. There was a little secret. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch this one right next to Pride right here. And it's a pigmented white, and look out the pigment, you guys. The pigment is just amazing. Now this green one, it is called Grime, and it's like a super bright green, and this one looks really good too. So we're gonna swatch that one next to the blue one. An instant payoff right there with the green. Looks really good. So far I love the color that they sent me. I just love them so much. Now with this one, this is like a brown, and this one's called Go Diva, and we're gonna swatch that right next to the white right here. It's like a deep brown color right there, and you can see that right there. It's deep brown. Now we're gonna go in with this blue. This blue is called Priscilla, and it's just like a really bright blue, you guys. And I'm gonna swatch that one right next to the green. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see why I'm obsessed with that one? It is so nice. I like that one a lot. I think I need to play with that one, with the blue and the purples. I just need to do with those. Like, those are gonna be in my eyes. Now this one, it is called Punk, And this one is basically a black liner. We're gonna go ahead and swatch this right next to the brown. As you can see, this is brown and then this is really, really black. So those are all the eyeliners that they sent me, and I do want to show you guys the packaging that it came with. It came with this packaging right here, and I'm going to show you guys how much product this has. This has 1.3 grams and it has 0.04 ounces. They're gonna be sharpened, like you can sharpen these. And also another thing, these are going to be, I don't know if they say that they're waterproof, but they're going to be kind of like super easy to dry. Like they're gonna dry really quick. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick. That's me swatching them, and then this is me rubbing them really, really hard. Do you guys see that? I'm like rubbing really hard, and they don't come off that much, just a little bit, and like you just get more like of the glitter that comes off, if anything. But other than that, it kind of stays. I just removed this with the hydrating milky makeup remover. So you guys can see I have like this little pad. I tried taking it off a little bit, but I want to show you guys how hard it is to kind of come off. So that's me rubbing it, and it's there, you guys. Like it's gonna be one of those liners that are gonna be really hard to take off. So just let you guys know, that's just me rubbing it all off. Oh, that got me really, really itchy here on my mosquito bite. You guys have no idea the struggle with mosquito season in the summer. Every time you want to go outside, when it's like the sun goes down, all the mosquitoes decide to come out and like get at you, like literally attack. I think last year I did suffer more with the mosquitoes than this year. Not this year that much. I haven't really been outside, but I'm talking about my front yard. Oh, the look that I want to create is just something like a blend of colors. I just want to do like a nice blend of the colors here. So we're going to be starting, and I'm going to do more like an advanced eyeliner look, because these liners are going to be really, really fast when it comes to drying. So if you want to apply it on your eye as like a shadow, you got to really blend that in really, really quick, or just to kind of try doing with your finger because of the warmth of your finger. I'm going to be trying out to do like a really nice like blend of colors here. I'm gonna go in with purple. You guys, I'm just kind of going in and not knowing what I'm doing. So we're just gonna kind of do this. I just really want to use this purple. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see the glitter reflex on this. It just looks so nice. I am gonna go in with a darker blue. This one's like the Pride color. Give it a little bit more depth right here. Kind of blend those together a little bit. They glide on really nicely, but I feel like when it comes to putting them on the eyes, they do dry really quick. This blue a little bit more higher, and I'm gonna just bring that purple in a bit more up just to blend those together. And we're just gonna be blending them like so. We're gonna create like a nice big wing liner with this, and with the same blue and the purple, I'm gonna start going kind of on top right here and connecting them like this. Now with the shade Pride, I'm gonna go in and kind of create what I did here in the bottom. I'm gonna do the same thing to the top and just kind of blend the shade Denim Rebel with Pride and just blend those together. I do want to say that when you use this, it kind of does tug a little bit on the eye. I'm going to go in with Priscilla, which is the light blue, which I am like obsessed with. And I'm going to go over the purple on top right here and just blend those together with Pride and Priscilla. And just create like one little line and just connecting them. I'm going to go over it just on top here. Now I'm going to go in with the green. This is in the shade Grime again. And I'm going to be putting that on top of this blue. And just blending the green and the blue together. I'm like using every single color, but I'm not going to bring it in too much to this end here. I don't want to make that thicker. And I'm going to be blending this right here. Not bringing it into the inner corner here. I'm just gonna bringing it down here and then making this liner thicker here like that. Do you guys see what I'm doing there? It's just like a little liner moment here. I'm gonna go in with the silver now, you guys. I'm using most of all the liners so far. I have used 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my 5th one, and I'm gonna be going in with the silver and the white. Like, these are the last two that I'm going to be using. So I'm going in with the silver, which is called Blade, and I just really want to use this kind of to bring a little bit more attention to the lid, and I'm going to be putting that on top of that green and just give this eye a moment. And this time I'm going to bring this into the inner corner like this. You guys see what I did there? I just kind of did that because I just really want to use the silver because it is so pretty and I feel like it needed a moment. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring this white liner and I'm going to be using that to the inner corner just to give my eye like a pop. So I'm going to be using this white and creating a little bit more of a wider eye here. Guys, look at that white. It is insane of how good this is. It looks so good. What I'm going to do for the bottom eye is I'm basically going to do the same thing I did on top. I'm going to be doing to the bottom. So I'm going to be grabbing Denim Rebel and I'm going to be bringing that to my lower lash line. And I'm basically dragging this all the way down. Now with the shade Pride, I'm going to be using that to blend a little bit under the Denim Rebel and blend it in with the white here. Okay, do you guys see what I'm doing there? Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Priscilla and I'm going to be blending that in with the white and just kind of blending those together. Lastly, I'm gonna be adding the white one, which is Aura, and I'm going to be adding this to the waterline. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead off camera and then put some lashes on and some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back and I just want to tell you guys really quick what I used. I did use the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. I like this mascara and it's so affordable. And for my lashes, I did use a Raw Beauty Kristi and Pure Cosmetics. These are in the shade Lovely and I'm obsessed, you guys. It is so good. So you guys, this is the final look. I am in love with these. These are so good. I do want to say that they are a little bit more like of a tug, that you do have to kind of tug. They're super soft when you're putting them on your eye, but since this skin of your eye, they're really good when you're putting them and swatching them on your hand. But since your eye, sometimes the skin there is a little bit more thin, I do feel like it kind of does tug. So I would recommend you warming these up a little before in your hand and then going in to your eye. But overall, you guys, they sent to over 10 and I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I used 6 of these liners to create this look and I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. These are available to purchase now already. They have them on houselabs.com and amazon.com. I will be linking them down below if you guys want to try them out, and if you guys love Lady Gaga or love Haus Labs, if you guys want to support them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I just do want to tell you guys a little bit quick what happened to me and why I haven't posted or like said nothing this whole week. I think it was like maybe like a week ago, actually. Yeah, exactly a week ago. I got really sick. So it was like middle of the night, like around, it was like Friday night that I started feeling bad. Like I was getting a headache and I was a little concerned. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna take some pills, and the pills had caffeine and I took them and I started feeling a little anxious. I did feel a little bit anxious before I even took them. So what I think had happened is I started getting like a little bit of panic attack. I don't know what happened, that I woke up like around 1 in the morning and I started feeling super nauseous and nasty. So I decided to throw up. But I also started feeling like my hands getting super numb, my legs numb, my face, my arms, everything was numb. Like it was so bad. Like I started feeling like my face numb. That's what scared me the most, because I was like, oh my god, even my face is numbing. But I think it was just getting worse because I was panicking about it. So I stood like the whole night awake. And I don't know why I didn't go to the hospital. I know I should have gone, but I didn't. But I waited till like the morning, and then I decided to go to the urgent care clinic. So I went and they drew my blood out, and my results came back and they came out, everything was fine. They did give me pills for my high blood pressure, but I don't have a high blood pressure problem, and they didn't say that didn't even come out on my blood work. So I don't know, I just stopped taking those pills, to be honest. I didn't take those pills. And then I ended up getting also anxiety pills, and I got pills for my gastritis problem because I was getting a lot of acid reflux and I was not able to eat at all. So I was just having a really, really bad week, and barely, like maybe yesterday or 2 days ago, I started feeling better. And I am just so happy. Those pills for my gastritis pain helped me so much, and I have been taking my heartburn pills the morning and night, so like that I can able to eat anything I want. I know I shouldn't be eating everything I want, but it was so hard to eat healthy. You guys have no idea the struggle to eat healthy. It was so hard, and I was stressing out more because of it. And I would wake up, and sometimes I would wake up like with anxiety, and I would feel like my heart race like more than normal. But these past days I have been good, thank God, because I was having such a hard time. But I am back, you guys. I miss doing makeup so much, and I just wanted to let you guys know what was with me this whole week and why I haven't really been posting or anything like that. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. If you guys are always watching my videos or watched it to the end, thank you guys so much for the support. And if you guys are not part of my little family and want to be part of my little family, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. And if you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter or TikTok, if it's still there, because they're wanting to ban it here in the US, I don't know why. Why do they want to ruin people's lives? You guys can go ahead and follow me there. Thank you guys so much. Let me know what you guys think of this look down below, and if you guys like this look, make sure you hit that like button to let me know and let YouTube know that you guys are interested in watching more of my videos and I recommend it to other people. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.